Hackers are targeting Windows 10, and your PC could be at risk. Today, I'm going to show you the one critical thing you need to do to stay safe. Microsoft has officially announced the end of support for Windows 10, happening on October 14th, 2025. What does this mean for you? It means no more security updates. After that date, your computer will no longer receive patches for newly discovered vulnerabilities, making your system a juicy target for cybercriminals. Now, you might be thinking, why does this really matter to me? Well, here's the deal. Hackers absolutely love unpatched systems. When a new security flaw is found in Windows 10 after the support ends, Microsoft won't be fixing it for most users. This gives attackers a permanent backdoor they can exploit over and over again. Think of it like leaving your front door wide open for thieves. Without those crucial security patches, your Windows 10 machine becomes extremely vulnerable to all sorts of nasty stuff like malware that can corrupt your files, ransomware that locks up your data and demands money, and spyware designed to steal your personal and financial information. It's a serious risk to your digital life. So what should you do? The single most effective step you can take is to upgrade to Windows 11. It's a currently supported operating system that receives regular security fixes from Microsoft, keeping you protected from the latest threats. Upgrading is the best way to keep your data secure and your mind at ease. But what if your computer can't run Windows 11? You still have a couple of options. First, you could consider joining Microsoft's temporary extended security updates program, or ESU. This is a paid service that will give you a few more years of security patches, but it's meant as a temporary bridge, not a long-term solution. Your other option is to completely isolate the device from the internet. You can turn it into an offline machine for specific tasks, which means it can't be reached by online attackers. Don't wait until it's too late. The deadline is approaching, and your personal data is on the line. Take action now to protect yourself and stay safe online. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more essential tech security tips. Thanks for watching.